Hey everybody, cabinet project in the shop here. First we're going to sand, then we're going to vacuum, then we're going to tack rag the surfaces, give us a nice clean substrate, then we're going to our green frog tape. We have beautiful stainless steel metal legs on this nightstand and we're going to protect them, and we're also going to get those beautiful clean lines. So everything will be professionally sprayed, so lots of protection here. When everything is protected, we'll go to the blue frog tape, protect our drawer, we'll load it into the spray booth, and we'll give everything a heavy coat of oil primer. This will stop any stains, and it'll give us a great substrate for a fine finish. We will sand, vac, tack the primer again in preparation for our beautiful enamel. Everything will get back in the spray booth for a coat of a warm gray enamel over the top. Beautiful color and super satisfying to watch it go on. Look at that wet mill. Then we will take off the frog tape, clean lines as you always would expect. Legs are completely protected, and the finished product. Beautiful and clean as always.